Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, tachometer, heated passenger seat, leather seats, remote window operation. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.